Te ata Māori. Today's kupu of the day, or place name, is a little place, a suburb in Hamilton. It's called Ruakura. Alright, I was listening to the radio yesterday morning, and good old Mike Hosking, this one's for you, pronounced that place name with an extra R. So he pronounced it Ruakura. Alright, he was advertising for them, for that place, and he said, if you're looking for a place, Ruakura is the place to be. And he said it several times. So, Mike, this is for you. It's pronounced Ruakura. Alright? So, the hardest part in that word is obviously the R for you. Okay, you want to be rolling your R like the purr of a cat. Or how a pigeon also has this call. You know? Alright? So it's Rua Kura. Alright, and the first part in the Rua, you sort of, it's almost like a short but a long U, like a U. Okay, Ru, A. And the Kura part, the U, and that is actually a short U. Alright, so it's, repeat after me, Mike. Ru, A, Ku, Ra. Alright, again. Ru, A, Ku, Ra. Ru, A, Kura. Rua, Kura. Rua, Kura. Now there is no second R, hang on, third R actually, like how you pronounced it on the radio yesterday. Alright, Ruakura. That's how you pronounce it, Mike. If anybody knows Mike, forward this to him. By the way, I'm just not even doing anything in there. Suckers.